What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Jenny and Jay Vlogs. Today I have a special video for you guys. Inside this box is a pop that I've ordered, one that I wanted to add to my collection that I've needed, that I've been looking for. I've been trying to find a deal on it, and I finally found a deal on it. It's crazy because this pop last year, you could go on Walmart.com and you could easily find it for like $12.99, $11.99. Now it's going for like double the price, almost $50 for this pop, and I'm like, oh my god! But I did find a good deal. I bought this on Mercari. Yeah, Mercari. So yeah, to add to our collection of pops. So this one right here, this was from a movie, a classic horror movie. I'll let you guys guess. It's a classic horror movie, and it was. I just needed it for my collection, like ASAP, like, you know, really bad, really bad. I just wanted it so bad. So I finally got it. So I'm gonna open it up. Let me shut my mouth and open this up because I know you guys want to see what it is inside. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, interact. You comment, we'll comment right back. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. All right, let's get to the unboxing. So I got one hand because I'm holding the other hand. I'm holding the camera with the other hand, so let me see how I can do this. I gotta block out the address. All right, let me see. All right. Now, I have not opened it. Hold on. Oh my god. I'm gonna get caught, guys. Oh my god. Let me see something. Did a great job. Imagine I'm breaking into the box of the pop. I should cry. Alright. Bear with me, guys. This is one hand. This is tough with one hand. Alright, so packaged it very well. Anything else in the box? Wow, look at all this. Great packaging skills. Nice. Put that back. Reuse that. All right. Here we go. I wanted to add this to my horror collection, guys, because I'm not sure if you guys knew this or not, but I'm trying to grow my horror collection. With, like, you know, Michael Myers, Jason Voorhees, Friday the 13th. Trying to grow my collection. I got a couple action figures and stuff. If you guys want me to show you guys my collection, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to show you guys what I have so far. I'm growing it, so it's not as big. I want to expand it. There you go. Ta-da! The Exorcist. Regan. I've been looking, and he even gave me a sleeve, like a protector. Look at that. Oh man, this is amazing. I am in love. Oh my god, guys, this is like everything right here. This is like a classic movie. If you guys haven't seen this movie, I recommend you guys watch this. This is a great movie. Don't watch it alone because it's scary. But it's a great movie. You guys will really enjoy it for Halloween. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, I'm so happy that I got this. Add to my collection. There's a couple more that I need. But yeah, guys, this is the pop that I ordered that I wanted to unbox with you guys. I waited until they got here to record it with you guys because I want to show you guys what I got. If you guys enjoy this quick little video, sorry it took so long for me opening it up, but got one hand. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy this, please give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. You guys know the deal. Or don't subscribe, don't comment, whatever. Thanks for watching anyways. If you guys did watch this video to the end, thank you, and I really appreciate it. Until then, guys, stay safe. Have a happy October, happy Halloween, and stay safe, guys. Bye.